Welcome. In this video I will show you how to factory reset your HUAWEI MatePad Pro Max. So to perform the regular factory reset, you have to open settings on your device. Then in settings you have to scroll down to System and Update section on the sidebar, then select Reset and then Reset Tablet, and then confirm by selecting Reset Tablet. Before you perform this kind of factory reset, however, I highly recommend going to Backup and Restore section, which is located in the same System and Updates tab, and performing the backup of your important data. And basically after following these instructions, for just following a couple of pages, you will fully reset your device to the factory defaults. Now, if you cannot do it this way, you can still perform factory reset operation through the recovery mode. And to do that, we're gonna have to force restart our tablet by holding down power button and volume down keys. Then once device's screen goes off, start holding down power button and volume up key instead. Keep holding both buttons together until HUAWEI logo appears on your screen. Then release the power button only. Okay, HUAWEI logo appeared. Now we can release the power button and keep holding down the volume up key until we are in the recovery mode. Now here we'll be able to use volume up and down keys to navigate and power button to select. Now to perform factory reset operation, you have to select clear data and then factory reset on the following page. Then proceed with the instructions you see on the screen and wait until your device is reset. If you get redirected to the main page of your recovery menu, select Restart to reboot your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.